Hello class! I am Nazish Heather. Welcome to my channel Nazish Academy. We are going to learn Chapter 2, numbers from 1 to 9. Counting. 1. 1. The zoo is lots of fun. 2. 2. What will you do? 3. Monkey on the tree. 4. Dance on the floor. 5. Honeybee on the hive. 6. The batsman hits a 6. 7. The elephants are 11. 8. The road is straight. 9. I am fine. One car. TWO 2. 1 and 2 cars. THREE 3. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. FOUR 4. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, and 4 cars. FIVE 5. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, and 5 cars. SIX 6. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, and 6 cars. SEVEN 7. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, 6 cars, and 7 cars. EIGHT 8. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, 6 cars, 7 cars, and 8 cars. NINE 9. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, 6 cars, 7 cars, 8 cars, and last 9 cars. As many as. This is rabbit. 2 rabbits, 3 rabbits, 4 rabbits, and 5 rabbits. This side 5 rabbits. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 3 carrots, 4 carrots, and 5 carrots. There are 5 carrots. More or less. More means ज़्यादा. Less means कम. Take more. We have to take these objects, which is more. He's a boy and 3 boys, 4 boys, and there are chairs, 2, 3 chairs, 4 chairs. Then which is ladder, 3 ladder. Yes. 2 balls, 3 balls, and 4 balls. 1 elephant. Number 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5. We have to match right now. Yes. Where is number 5? Yes. And ladder 3. Then where is number 3? Yes. 4 balls. Then number 4. Yes. 1. Yes. Make groups of 4 bottles, 3 trees, 2 drums, and 5 apples. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 4 bottles, 5 bottles, and 6 bottles. We have to make it 4 bottles. We have to make groups of 4 bottles. Yes. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4 trees. We have to make groups of 3 trees. Yes, 1 and 2, 3 trees. 1 drum, 2 drums, 3 drums, and 4 drums. Now we have to make groups of 2 drums. Yes. 1, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples, 6 apples. Now we have to make groups of 5 apples. Yes, 5 apples. Count and match. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4, 5 bananas, 6 bananas, 7, 8 bananas, 9 bananas. 1, 2 chocolates, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 book, 2 books, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 books, 8 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6, number 8, number 9, number 7. हमें नंबर से मैच करना है. 9 bananas. Where is 7? Yes. 8 books and 6 houses. Make groups of 6 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to make groups of 6 leaves. 7 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have to make groups of 7 glasses. 7 glass के ग्रुप बनाने हैं. 8 potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to make groups of 8 potatoes. Yes. And last 9 ants. 1 ant, 2 ants, of 9 ants. Yes. Match the numbers with pictures. हमें pictures देखना है और उसे उसी नंबर से मैच करना है. Ice cream. It's so yummy. 2 ice creams. 1 football, 2 footballs, and 3 footballs. 1, 2, 3. This is 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 ant, 2 ants, 3 ants, 4 ants, 5 ants, 6 ants, 7 ants, and 8 ants. Yes, let's match. 1 camel. Number 1. Yes. And there is 2 pictures. Yes, 2 ice creams. 3 footballs. 4 pigeons. 5 apples. 6 books. And 7 leaves. 8 ants. Last, 9 pens. Name these things. Write their number in the circle. चीजों के नाम बताना है और कितना है वो नंबर भी लिखना है. What is this? Yes, fish. And how many fishes? Yes, 4. And tell me, what is this? Yes, book. How many books? 2. And ye, tell me, what is this? Tell me, what is this? Rat. Yes. And how many rats? 5. Good. And last, what is this? क्या है ये? I'm waiting your answer, children. Tell me, what is this? This is candle. Yes. And how many candles are there? 8. Good. Make the collection equal. 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, and 4 squares. On this side, 4 squares. And this side, 1 square, 2 square, and 3 square. Now make it equal. And we need 1 square. Yes. Now both sides are equal. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles. There are 3 circles, and there 1 circle, 2 circle, only 2 circle. And now we need 1 circle to make it equal. Yes, 3. Both sides are equal. Write the missing number. What comes before and after 5? हमें बताना है 5 से पहले और 5 के बाद कौन कौन से नंबर आते हैं. Tell me, you know counting ना 1 to 9? Yes. 5 से पहले 4 and after 5, 6. What comes बिफोर 6 से पहले कौन से नंबर आते हैं? आपने भी जाना है 1 to 9 काउंटिंग, बता दो। यस, 6 से पहले 5, गुड। व्हाट आर द नेक्स्ट नंबर्स? 1 से आगे और कौन से नंबर आते हैं? 2 and 3, यस। 1 के बाद 2 and 3 आते हैं। अगेन सेम क्वेश्चंस। 7 के आगे कौन से नंबर आते हैं वो बताना है। 8 आता है और 9, यस। 0 5 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? 5 मैंगो थे, आपने उसमें से एक खा लिए, कितने बचे? Tell me, कितने और बचे? How many will be left? Yes, 4 mangoes. 4 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? Tell me, 4 mangoes में से आपने एक खा लिए, कितने बचे? 3, good. 3 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? 3 mangoes थे, आपने एक खा लिए, कितने बचे? 2, good. 2 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? 1, good. And last, 1 juicy mango kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? 1 मैंगो थे, आपने वो खा लिए, कुछ भी नहीं बचे, 0. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.